Hello friends, welcome to Air Travel Sathi. Today we'll discuss about latest Canada air travel policy. As you are aware that Air Canada is going to start their direct flight from Canada to India and India to Canada effective from 21st September. So in this video we'll discuss if you want to visit Canada or if you have employment over there, so what are the requirements applicable for Canada travel. Friends, as you are aware that Canada had suspended all commercial or private passenger flights from India on 23rd April 2021. So for Indian it was quite difficult to travel to Canada because earlier they used to transit via other country and going to Canada by transiting other country. So on 21st September this transit facility, this transit option no need to be opted because Air Canada is starting their direct flight from India. So we'll discuss what are the required documents you need to carry or who can travel to Canada in this video. So before starting this, I would like to request, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe my channel so that in future you will receive the latest update regarding your trip to a foreign country. So let's begin. Air Canada is going to resume its Delhi-Toronto flight on 21st September. So if you like to board this flight on or after 21st September, so what are the documents you need to carry? I will elaborate point by point. First, the most important document you need to carry is an RT-PCR report. An RT-PCR report, earlier Indian RT-PCR report was not accepted in Canada, so basically all other passenger has to transit via other country and doing COVID test, and after that they were able to travel to Canada. But right now Canada is accepting Indian RT-PCR report, and this report is no longer than 18 hours later. Another option is that you can do a rapid PCR test also. This is also accepted in Canada. So next question is that how to book or how to do a COVID test within this short span of time. So you need to book your COVID test at Delhi airport prior to 6 hours before your journey. So by that time, if you book 6 hours prior to your departure from Delhi, you will receive your COVID test report on time. So before travel you need to pre-book your COVID test. Minimum booking time is departure minus 6 hours. In addition to COVID or RT-PCR report, you need to be fully vaccinated, at least double dose. After taking double dose you can travel to Canada, and this vaccination should be like you need to get a complete vaccination certificate with you. So here we will discuss what are the vaccination or WHO approved vaccines available for Canada journey. These are as follows. Johnson, if you have taken a vaccine from Johnson, one dose is sufficient, and if you have taken another vaccine other than Johnson, it is Moderna, Pfizer or Covishield. So apart from Johnson, recognized vaccine is Moderna, Pfizer or Covishield. These are the WHO approved vaccine. So you can take this vaccine, and if you have taken this vaccine, then definitely you will be eligible to board the flight for Canada. Apart from vaccination certificate, Another criteria is you need to upload all your vaccination certificate or all other belonging. You need to upload it at ArriveCAN website, or you can download ArriveCAN app on your phone, on your mobile, and you need to upload these documents on this ArriveCAN app, and it is mandatory before travel. You need to complete this formality. Another criteria is like you have tested positive 14 days prior to departure, 180 days before your departure. Then if you have a certified copy of a positive test that you have been tested positive, and if you are carrying a certified copy, then also you can travel to Canada. So this criteria, like you are traveling from a different city from India and you are having a flight from Delhi. So you have tested positive, which I have stated earlier, that between 14 to 180 days, if you have a positive PCR test report, then by that report you will be eligible to travel to Canada. But it should be prior to departure, 14 days before departure to 180 days, and it should be a certified copy. So friends, additional information is that Canada has started allowing foreign national for travel by their discretionary reason on 7th of September 2021. Here discretionary reason is that you can enter Canada for tourism, recreation or entertainment, or if you have any visa that allows you to go to Canada, but there is a condition that you need to be fully vaccinated, and this vaccination certificate and all the details need to be incorporated in the ArriveCAN app. If you are not abiding these rules, for that reason you may be denied boarding at the airline counter. Airline will verify that you have entered all the details in your ArriveCAN. So next question is that where you can find this ArriveCAN. You can do this online registration by going directly to ArriveCAN website. You can go to the Google and you can search ArriveCAN over there. You can fill that form online and upload the required documents. Other option is that if you have a smartphone, and you can obviously download ArriveCAN application on your phone, and with that application you will be able to download, or you will be able to fill up that ArriveCAN form and submit it, and you will get a receipt copy of from ArriveCAN. So before travel, definitely fill up this ArriveCAN, otherwise you may face problem at Delhi airport. There are some exceptions for some categories of passengers, like if they are unable to download that ArriveCAN, or if they are unable to fill up digitally that ArriveCAN, you need to meet some exception. So in this point we'll discuss what are the exceptions available to not to fill up that ArriveCAN. First of all, that ArriveCAN, if you are not having this application in your phone, you can carry a paper copy of your final vaccination proof, and this would be only applicable in case of natural disaster or service disruption or inadequate infrastructure which has made some changes in your departure country, so that you have not been able to fill up this form. So only this exception is allowed, otherwise everybody has to fill up ArriveCAN from their mobile application or through online. So here are the summary for travel to Canada. First documents is that you need to carry a RT-PCR report, departure minus 18 hours, and you need to pre-book this facility before departure, and this facility is available at Delhi airport. Next is you need to be fully vaccinated at least 14 days prior to your departure, and this vaccination, the vaccination name approved by Canada or WHO is Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Covishield, Janssen. So these are the vaccinations, and Moderna is also approved in Canada. So if you have taken this vaccination, you can obviously can travel to Canada. Next is you need to download and install ArriveCan application, and you need to fill up digital form and upload your vaccination proof over there, and after that you will get a receipt, that is ArriveCan receipt. You need to show that ArriveCan receipt to the airline. Without ArriveCan receipt you will not be able to travel to Canada, so it is a mandatory requirement. And there is a quarantine requirement at Canada also. You need to stay 3 nights in hotel by Canadian government approved agency, and 11 days in your home quarantine you can stay. So these are the which I have discussed, these are the points which is basically mandatory for travel to Canada. So if you are planning to travel to Canada, kindly follow this rule. And very soon, as of now, Air Canada has started its operation, so very soon Air India will also operate direct flight to Toronto or Vancouver. So if I get something new information, definitely I will make a new video and share with you. So friends, if you like my video, kindly like and subscribe and share with your friends. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.